Definitely. Suppose you today you have learnt one sentence, so you have to repeat 10 times, 5 times if you have
Yeah,
time. Definitely
definitely.
it comes automatically, right?
Hmm. Yes.
Hmm. Until you repeat, okay, it will not come properly in your mind.
Yeah, definitely. You
Hmm.
don't get some sentence. What is the exact meaning until you repeat?
Did you learn anything today? Please share with my viewer.
Okay, today I learned one idioms. The idiom is what?
Mhm.
First of all, I want to check
Yeah,
on
yeah,
my.
no problem. Take your time and see. Okay.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, push it under the rug. Do you know what is the meaning? Push
No,
it
I
under
don't
the
know. Please tell for my viewer.
Yeah, it means hide something. If you want to hide something from anyone, so you can easily say like that, push my feelings under the rug.
Okay, okay. Repeat again.
Push it under the rug.
And Hindi.
मतलब किसी चीज को छुपाना.
Okay, किसी चीज को छुपाना, हाँ?
या मतलब आपको किसी चीज से डर लग रहा है या आप किसी चीज को नहीं बताना चाह रहे हो किसी के सामने. So sometimes we feel like that कि we push it under the rug.
Okay, oh, that's great. And I learned also. Okay, I want to share with you that जैसे बोलते कि मैं अपनी जुबान का बहुत पक्का हूँ. हम्म. तो
जुबान का
I am a man of words.
आई.
I am a man of words. मैं अपनी जुबान का बहुत पक्का हूँ.
अच्छा पक्का हूँ.
हाँ,
आई
मैं अपनी
एम
जुबान का बहुत
आई
पक्का
एम
हूँ.
ऑफ वर्ड.
हाँ, I am a man of words. Word नहीं बोलते words. W
ओके.
O R R D. Okay. W
हम्म.
O R D S. Words. ठीक है.
ओके. सो आई कैन से आई एम अ वुमन. आई एम अ
अरे
वुमन.
जवान, तुम भी यही कर सकती हो. आई एम अ मैन, आई एम अ वोमेन, आई एम अ गर्ल ऑफ माई वर्ड. मैं अपने जवान का बहुत पक्का हूँ. यू
आई
कैन
एम अ
आल्सो से
गर्ल ऑफ
आई
वर्ड.
कीप माई प्रोमिस. यू कैन आल्सो से आई कीप माई प्रोमिस. आई
आई
कीप माई प्रोमिस.
कीप
ओके.
माई प्रॉमिस.
एंड ये भी कर सकती हो कि आई स्टैंड. आई ऑलवेज स्टैंड. ओके. आई स्टैंड ऑलवेज. व्हाट कैन आई से? आई फॉरगॉट हियर. Okay. There are three way to say. Okay, but I learned two. Okay. I have started recording.
यस यस.
Thank you for reaching out to us, Divya.
थैंक यू
How are
सो
you?
मच.
And how are
थैंक
you
यू.
doing today?
या आई एम फुल ऑफ बीन्स. व्हाट अबाउट यू?
I'm also so much good, I can say. Okay.
ओके.
How was your morning?
Yeah, my morning was so good, you can say, because as usual, the same morning I did all my house chores work, and today my husband went out for visiting purpose. There is a one place, very
Okay.
beautiful place, and a three kund also. So water comes naturally from that place, very
Oh my
hot
God.
water. Yeah, so some spiritual things are there. People often say like that if you take a bath on that place, so definitely your all skins, problems get removed.
Okay. So why didn't you go with your husband?
Because my husband went with his friends, so that's why next time we will all go together.
All family will go there, huh?
All family members will go.
Okay. To tell me, Divya, one thing that earlier I used to force you. Okay. That you should make video with me, right?
Hmm.
But at that time you were not ready to make video with me. Okay. So
Yeah.
I say you have lots of courage nowadays to make video. Once I tell you, Divya, are you ready? Then you tell me, yes, yes, I'm ready. Just you come in front of the camera and you make video with me. So I mean to say, from where did you learn this kind of courage? Because now you
No.
have lots of courage.
I have courage and I had courage since my childhood. But the thing is that at that time I was not a very camera friendly person, and nowadays I am becoming very camera friendly person. So that is the main reason. Earlier I only felt I comfortable with the audio call, but nowadays I am comfortable with the audio and video both.
Okay. So what is the different, between audio call and video call? And what did you learn from the video call?
Okay, yeah. So from the video call, I learned so many good things. How to move your hand here and there, how to do eye to eye contact with the person. So this is the main reason. And what they are saying, just you have to listen attentively. After that, you give the answer. On audio call, what happens? Sometimes you are not listen properly, and just you are ready to give the answer. So sometimes it's happened, you are not listening and you start it means we have monkey mind, I can say. Sometimes we jumped next, then next level. We always reach our best level always because of monkey mind.
Having you, I'm so happy because nowadays you have started using, advanced vocabulary. How did you learn the attentively? Where did you learn?
Yeah, because as you know very well, I have a lot of WhatsApp group. I am part of so many groups, sometimes advanced group also. I will join over there. I will practice over there. So in this way, I learn whatever I listen from them, just I jot it down in my notebook and I repeat again and again with my co-learner. So in this
Do
way,
you
I
know
learn.
what? One thing. Why do I have conversation with you always? Because you have lots of courage nowadays. Okay,
Oh,
that's why you are apple of my eyes.
oh my God.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay. 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 So why did you upset? Why were you upset in the morning time? Tell me what is the reason?
Okay, sometimes it's happened. Living in a joint family, it is not everyone's cup of tea. Sometimes up and down, ups and downs, it's happened. So same thing happened with me. Morning time, what happened? My father-in-law came to me and start saying something bad because there is a one door, open to the terrace directly. And there is a one washing machine. Whenever I am going to put my clothes from the washing purpose, so I have to open the door only for
Hmm.
a while, not overnight, not for the day. So his mindset is different because why she is opening the door. So because of some purpose, I have to open my door and I have to put my clothes for washing purpose. After that, I put to dry. Then I properly close my door because there is no any kind of electricity board. So where
Hmm.
should I plug the wire? So this is a main reason. So sometimes I need to take a wire from my inside the room. And he forced me, you have to cut the net. After that, you have to take the plug over there. But it is not possible. Once I cut the net from the window, so definitely, lizard might be come inside my room. And I have
Definitely.
fear of lizard also, you know very well.
Okay.
So in this
Okay.
way, my mood was off.
So do you fear from the lizard? Lots of.
Mhm. I am very scared of lizard since my childhood.
Okay. Okay. Earlier I didn't know about you, but now I got to know. Okay, because you told me. Hmm.
So many
Okay.
incidents happened with me, that's why.
Okay. So how long have you been doing practice? How long have you been doing practice? Because earlier you did not have fluency. You were not speaking fluently, but nowadays you are speaking fluently, and whatever you are speaking, I am able to understand very clearly.
Okay. It's depend on the practice. Which kind of practice do you do in a whole day? It's depend on the practice and it's
Hmm.
depend on the person to person. Which
Hmm.
kind of person, you know, are you having every day? So this is the main reason. And I'm practicing, I'm maintaining my consistency also
Hmm.
because consistency is the key of success. Once you maintain your consistency, definitely you reach that level. So nowadays I'm doing the same thing. I'm following all those things.
Okay. So my other question is, what kind of difficulty do you face in front of camera?
In front of camera, still I'm facing a lot of difficulties when I record my video. So sometimes my pace is very high, sometimes my pace is very down. So it's
Okay.
happened, I have to maintain my pace
Hmm.
down, pace up, how to pace down and how to pace up. It is a very very major difference between the pace down and pace up. So I want to help. I want to work on them.
Okay. So my other question is, do you think that if I make mistake, if we make mistake, then we will learn something by the mistake?
Yeah, definitely. Making mistakes are part of our life.
Okay. So how many times did you make mistake?
I don't know. You can tell me how many times I am making the mistake because you are my partner and we practice together. So that's why, and yeah, sometimes I feel in this place I am making a mistake and just I search to the chat GPT and chat GPT give me, a
Good
good
answer.
sentence,
Okay.
provide me good sentence.
And how long have you been using ChatGPT?
Maybe only 6 to 7 months ago.
Okay. So you have been using ChatGPT for 7 months.
Huh, 4 to 7 months. Yeah, you can say.
Okay. And Divya, you tell me one thing. You are a homemaker and you have one daughter. Okay. And you are living joint family. So how do you manage your time?
Yes, I manage very easily because my in-laws, you can say my mother-in-law is very helping nature person. Whenever I go to the kitchen and whenever I have some work and I want to connect with some co-learner, and nowadays I became a YouTuber also. So in this way, she understands my all problems, and sometimes, she helps me in the kitchen also.
Hmm.
And morning time, it's mandatory to attend one call because attending one call make my mood, and in this way I never ever feel very irritated from my side. So after one connecting one call, always my co-learner make my morning, make my day, make my night also. Before hitting the sick, it's compulsion for me to take a one conversation.
Okay, okay. And my other question is, what kind of message do you like to give them who are totally beginner? Because
Yeah.
when we were beginner,
Mm-hmm.
also we were confused. We were perplexed that we don't know grammar, we didn't know anything. Okay.
Yeah.
We didn't know that how to start or where to start. So what kind of message do you like to give them?
Yeah, if you are totally beginner, so first of all, you should learn some grammar rules. I
Okay.
always
Mm,
give this suggestion to every co-learner, every beginner.
mm,
If you don't have any knowledge about the tenses, about the modals, about the any kind of causative verb, so first you should learn. After that, you comfortably you want to connect with someone, and you have to make a little sentence also because you don't know how to make the sentence. So how do you connect with the person? How do you, take conversation feel freely? It is
mm.
very mandatory.
Okay. Who taught you grammar, Divya?
No, no one taught me grammar. I learned by myself
Did you
because of
take class from anywhere?
technology. Because of technology, I
Okay.
can say.
Did you take class anywhere?
No, I didn't take any classes from anywhere.
Okay. So how long have you been doing practice?
I have been practicing, I can say, more than 1 year.
Okay, it's
But
been 1 month. It's
yeah,
been
but
1 year.
yeah, to be honest, initial periods of time, I didn't maintain my consistency. But nowadays, I'm maintaining my consistency.
Okay. So when you were beginner, first you had to learn grammar first of all.
Yeah,
After
first,
that, when you learned grammar, then you started speaking English.
yeah, definitely. First of all, I had to make a little sentence.
Hmm.
How to, how to question, how to give the answer, little small sentence. First of
Hmm.
all, I wrote it down on my diary. After that, I speak again and again. I spoke again and again because repetition it is very required.
Mm-hmm, definitely. Definitely. Suppose you have learned one sentence, so you have to repeat 10 times, 5 times if you have
Yeah,
time. Definitely,
definitely.
it comes automatically, right?
Hmm. Yes.
Hmm. Until you repeat, okay, it will not come properly in your mind.
Yeah, definitely. You
Hmm.
don't get some sentence. What is the exact meaning until you repeat?
Did you learn anything today? Please share with my viewer.
Okay, today I learned one idioms. The idiom is what?
Mhm.
First of all, I want to check
Yeah,
on
yeah,
my.
no problem. Take your time and see. Okay.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, push it under the rug. Do you know what is the meaning? Push
No,
it
I
under
don't
the
know.
rug.
Please tell for my viewer.
Yeah, it means hide something. If you want to hide something from anyone, so you can easily say like that, push my feelings under the rug.
Okay, okay. Repeat again.
Push it under the rug.
In Hindi.
मतलब किसी चीज को छुपाना.
ओके, किसी चीज को छुपाना, हाँ।
या मतलब आपको किसी चीज से डर लग रहा है या आप किसी चीज को नहीं बताना चाह रहे हो किसी के सामने. So sometimes we feel like that कि we push it under the rug.
Okay, oh, that's great. And I learned also. Okay, I want to share with you that जैसे बोलते कि मैं अपनी जुबान का बहुत पक्का हूँ। हम्म। तो
जुबान पर
आई एम अ मैन ऑफ वर्ड्स।
आई.
आई एम अ मैन ऑफ वर्ड्स। मैं अपनी जुबान का बहुत पक्का हूँ।
अच्छा पक्का हूँ.
हाँ,
आई
मैं अपनी
एम
जुबान का बहुत
आई
पक्का
एम
हूँ।
ऑफ वर्ड.
हाँ, आई एम अ मैन ऑफ वर्ड्स। वर्ड नहीं बोलते, वर्ड्स।
ओके.
WORD। ओके। WORDS वर्ड्स। ठीक है।
ओके. सो आई कैन से आई एम अ वुमन. आई एम अ वुमन.
अरे जवान, तुम भी यही कर सकती हो। आई एम अ मैन, आई एम अ वुमेन, आई एम अ गर्ल ऑफ माई वर्ड। मैं अपने जवान के बहुत पक्का हूँ। यू
आई
कैन
एम अ
आल्सो से
गर्ल ऑफ
आई
वर्ड.
कीप माई प्रोमिस। यू कैन आल्सो से आई कीप माई प्रोमिस। आई
आई
कीप माई प्रोमिस।
कीप
ओके।
माई प्रॉमिस.
हम्म। एंड ये भी कर सकती हो कि स्टैंड। आई ऑलवेज स्टैंड। ओके। आई स्टैंड ऑलवेज। व्हाट कैन आई से? आई फॉरगॉट हियर। Okay. There are three way to say. Okay, but I learned two. Okay,
ओके.
to say how to make.
Definitely. Do you have any topic?
No, it's been 17 years. This video has recorded 17 years. Yes, yes. No, 17 minutes. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. So sometimes while making video, we get chance to laugh, and I making you laugh. You are making me laugh, right?
Right, definitely. You
Mm.
always make me laugh.
While making video it happens, okay, because when you speak English in front of other, okay, it happens. You want to say something, but others comes out from your mouth, out of your mouth. It happens. Okay.
I always make you comfortable. That's why you start laughing a lot. Otherwise, it is
Mm.
not everyone cup of tea.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, so I have some work, and thank you so much, huh? We
How
will
it
meet.
how was the session?